I'm up behind building 15. I don't know if I caught that. I'm up behind building 15 on the Villas project. The rain slacked off a little bit. I'm looking at the staircase that was constructed to help keep the water from washing down and getting all over the sidewalk. There is a little bit of water that's coming through, and where it's coming from is right here behind the retaining wall. It's filled up with water off of the hillside. It's draining actually down from farther up the wall, and it's spilling over the edge of the concrete wall and down our newly constructed steps. So I'd like to make the recommendation to extend the pipe that we have. You can see it poking out from the side of the steps here. That is actually going to be extended back behind building 16, back behind the old wood shed, to a drainage structure back there to get this water out of here. And I would just recommend that we bring that pipe on around the corner and put a small surface inlet right here in the corner to help drain that water out and keep it from spilling over the wall. I'll go down in front of the main steps coming up from the parking lot in just a second. And I'm up at the top of the steps now. This has been an exceptionally hard rain, kind of a flash flood scenario. The ground was saturated, and again, we don't have sod established here, which I think would eliminate a lot of the issues. You can actually see how the water is being diverted away from the steps and slowed down with our terraced wall system. We did have some erosion take place during the hard rains. You can see the water that's coming down from along the sidewalk here, and has washed out quite a bit of the dirt that was behind this wall, in between the manhole and the wall. We may want to consider removing this small evergreen tree or replacing it down into that landscaping, and just cutting the channel of this water that's coming along the edge of the sidewalk in through that path and around the manhole, and disperse it around the side of the wall. Looks like some of the mulch has washed down. We've got a lot of the sediment down behind that wall, but the wall has worked great as far as filtering out the water and keeping the mulch and the dirt in its place. So I'm real comfortable with what's been done here as well. We can just do a little fine tuning on this and get it cleaned up, and the grass reestablished. I think we'll be in real good shape with some very minor changes.